powerful video cover like this would add a stunning touch to your next presentation. Join me and let's design it together. On a blank PowerPoint slide, go to Insert, click on Video, and choose the source you want to insert the video from. Ensure the video covers the entire slide. Next, go to Insert again and select a rectangle. Draw it to cover half of the slide. Right-click on the rectangle and select Format Shape. Click on Solid Fill and change the color to white. And go to Line and click No Line. Go to Shape Format, select Edit Points. Draw the rectangle to look like this with the edit points. Now insert text. This is a Northern Light, so I will name it Northern Light. Change the font to Arial Black and the font size to the size that you want. In my case, I'll choose 80. Adjust it to the center of the slide and make it sit well. Click on the rectangle and the text, go to Shape Format, and under Merge Shapes, select Combine. Now you can add an extra text to your slide. And to make our video play automatically, click on the video and go to Playback, and on Start, select Automatically. And if you want the video to continue looping until you stop it, click on Loop Until Stopped. Yeah, basically we are done designing our slide. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly subscribe and click on the like button. Now let's see how our video cover looks like. There we go. We have a beautiful video cover that you can use for your next presentation. That is it for now.